Guterres has invoked his most powerful diplomatic tool to direct the Security Council to meet over Gaza. He's calling for an urgent ceasefire to avert what he calls a humanitarian catastrophe.
Yes, well, we have received through diplomatic sources a copy of a letter that the Secretary General has submitted to the Security Council invoking Article 99. This is the Secretary General's equivalent of pushing the panic button. Article 99 in the UN Charter gives him the authority to call for a Security Council meeting for any topic that he views as a threat to international peace and security. It doesn't have to be on the agenda. It doesn't have to be called by a council member. And he's doing so over the situation in Gaza. In the letter, he urges the Council to use its power to press for a ceasefire in Gaza, saying that the humanitarian situation cannot be addressed